Hey everyone, Codex here. Today what we're gonna do is take a look at Cardano's native token, ADA, and its current momentum to see whether ADA is really dead, like many are claiming, or if these $0 ADA tweets and memes are nothing but a joke. So if that's something you are interested in and you find these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also, make sure to join our Telegram channel where you can get some of my models and indicators for free, and let's get into this one. Now, we all know that ADA has done exceptionally well in the last bull run, and whether you are an ADA fan or not, you can't really deny the fact that its price has gone nuclear since it went from less than 2 cents all the way up to an all-time high of 3.15 bucks. However, since our all-time high back in September, it seems like ADA has been really struggling and it's been doing nothing but going down. And as of the time we are recording this, Cardano is down about 69% from its all-time high. And what's concerning to me isn't that we are down 69%, because these drops happen with every single project, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, after bull runs. After every bull run and every bullish momentum, we always enter these bear markets and bearish phases where the price just keeps trending down for several months. However, what's concerning to me is that we got no momentum whatsoever. If we take a look at other coins that are down at the same rate as Cardano, most of them have seen a short relief phase where the price experienced a short-term pump before continuing its move to lower levels. But Cardano just kept going down with no relief phases. Another thing to note is that the team isn't doing much too. And besides the last Sunday swap, ISO and mainnet launch, which wasn't that interesting if I'm being honest, we haven't really got anything. The team just kept giving promises a year and a half ago, and nothing was delivered. And to me, the only answer I get whenever I ask Cardano investors is look at the transaction numbers per day. Whenever you ask a Cardano investor, his only answer on how the project is evolving is the transaction numbers per day, which makes no sense. I mean, even XRP has a higher number of transactions per day than it did in the summer of last year. But we all know that XRP is dead, and everybody holding it and chilling it on Twitter or YouTube just bought it at the top back at the last bull run and is hoping to make his losses back. Look, I don't think Cardano is dead, okay? And I don't think it will ever die or go to zero. But in terms of price action, I think we will be going much lower, especially if we break below this 90 cents to $1 level. I mean, below this level, it's literally a free fallout, like back in 2018. If we drop below this support level that we toyed with for a year now, Cardano is gonna be skydiving. And look, I have been here in the last crash, so if you think that Cardano or whatever coin you own can drop 90%, then you are dead wrong. And this isn't to say that Cardano will drop 90%, of course, but you have to keep in mind that Cardano, that ADA, has previously went down 98% in here, which is crazy, and 85% in here. And I mean, an 85% correction from the current peak will put us close to this trend line where we previously found resistance here again, and where we spent some time in February of 2018. And look, I'm not a Cardano bear or a perma bear, I'm just objective, that's all, because after all, we are here to make money. And if it wasn't for that, most of us wouldn't be in the space in the first place. I love the projects that I believe in, I love the projects that I hold, but if I know that one of my holdings is going down to zero, for example, and if the team isn't working enough, I will eventually sell it and get rid of it. Now, if we take a look at our momentum indicator, which is the Phoenix Ascending Indicator, we can see how bearish things are. The blue LSMA and red RSI are both below the mid-yellow line, which is the level of 50, and the green line, also known as the green RSI, is struggling to go up, and that shows that bears are taking full control. Whenever the blue LSMA and red RSI drop below the level of 50 on the weekly time frame, we enter a prolonged and continuous bearish phase. Not necessarily a bear market, of course, but a prolonged bearish phase, of course, in which the price has no steam to go up. And we have seen this in 2019 when the blue LSMA and red RSI went down and the price just kept trending down for several months. The same thing happened earlier in 2018. look how low the red RSI was, and the green line couldn't manage to go up to higher levels, which has led to a long and lasting bear market. So for me, whether you like it or not, and whether you agree with it or not, as long as the blue LSMA and red RSI are at these levels and below the mid-yellow line, the price will just keep going down. Or best case scenario, it would stay in its current range, dancing between 90 cents and 1.1 USD, since that's a psychological support level. In order for us to turn bullish, the red RSI and blue LSMA need to go up, which will take a long time. Also, if we take a look at the RSI, we can see how low it is. I mean, the last time a lower RSI was recorded, it was back in the March crash, and for me, that level would be something to look out for. I think Cardano is at a crucial point now, it's at a crucial level, and if this psychological support level can't be held, then the rest of 2022 will be much worse than Q4 of last year. This video is probably gonna get some hate, but that's it. These are the facts, and I'm not here to lick anybody's balls and say that Cardano is the best project in the world, and that the price will go to $10, because that's not the case. To me, it seems more like we are in a cult. Look, the whole crypto space is in some way a cult, and some love it and others hate it. And I love the fact that it is a cult in some way, and how people are funny and memes have become fundamentals like have fun staying poor. But to me, Cardano is slowly moving to XRP's path, where investors that bought at the top will just keep praising the coin forever so they don't mention their losses, while the CEO enjoys his trip around the world. That was about it, guys, for Cardano today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. Make sure to share the video if you feel comfortable doing so, of course, and have a nice day. Peace.